Imagine a world where healthy pregnancy is not decided by fate, where no longer babies suffer from prematurity due to the lack of nutrients in the mother's body, where taking dietary supplements for healthier babies is no longer costly and troublesome. Would you like to join hands in creating this new world where pregnant women can enrich their bodies with nutrients through a simple and cost-effective product? Introducing PurPills, a pill that combines all the essential nutrients that pregnant women require to stay healthy. That are iron, folic acid, omega-3, multivitamins, and minerals. Unlike other supplements, PurPills is only to be consumed once a week, reducing the hectic of daily consuming numerous dietary supplements. Best of all, PurPills does not cause nausea or morning sickness. It's completely safe with no side effects of any sort. With PurPills, we envision a world where healthy pregnancy is possible. We require your support to ensure every mother-to-be gets what she and her baby deserves. PurPills, www.purpills.com